Good afternoon, Professor Hassan. This is Yug. Let's discuss my code. So last modified 8 February, that's right. The only library I am using is math. This is Python code. Uh, as you see, these are some functions: is special character, is uppercase, is lowercase, is number, and these are supposed to just take as input a character and return if the character is special character, uppercase, lowercase, etc. I could have used the inbuilt Python functions, but by the time I realized I already had written a lot of the code. So no problem. So the on the ASCII table, 33 to 47 including, 58 to 64 including, 91 to 96, 123 to 126. These total 32 characters are all special characters, excluding the space character. So this is what we are doing here, true or false. And then uppercase characters, ASCII table 65 to 90 including both of them, lowercase 97 to 122 including. And what we are doing here, this odd function gives us the ASCII value, and number 48 to 57 are numbers in the ASCII table. Now, for entropy, the two things we require are range and length, right? So the length, if you see in the main function, I take input as a password. Length, I just compute the length directly here using this method, inbuilt method. But the range, I have a function that I have defined. So a compute password range, it takes the password string. Initially, it is initialized to 0. And then this is just what I mentioned about the ASCII numbers. And then initially, these are four Boolean values that are false, and if we encounter any number, we just turn that Boolean flag to true, 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 true. So and else, if we have any other characters out of these characters, it's an invalid character, so we just exit. We don't want to execute that. And then in the end, we just check the Boolean flags. If the flags are true, we just update the range according to. So if it has at least one number, the range increases by 10. If it is at least a single lowercase, then its range increases by 26. If at least a single uppercase, 26, and if at least a single special character, 32. And then we just return that number, password, range. And then compute entropy is just a simple function, length, range, and then length times math log to the base 2 range. And yeah, this is the main function that gets executed whenever the script is run. So okay, input compute range, entropy equals compute entropy, and then output. Cool, let's try to. So here, if we can see the terminal, so we will be doing python entropy dot py. So let's test our input password, which was Ken25 Yug state. Okay, I think that's what it was, right? Okay, so 111.42 bits, and just so we know, let's try to make it some invalid character. So space is an invalid character in a password. So the program just stops because we have an invalid character. Cool beans. That was my explanation. Thank you.